Are you ready to unlock the path from $0 to $1,000 a week? This video holds the key as I guide you step by step towards this incredible achievement. What makes this method truly remarkable is its simplicity. You don't need to be a pro. In fact, it's perfect for beginners like you. All you need is a working device and a reliable internet connection. But wait, let's not keep you waiting. Allow me to introduce you to Elementor, the ultimate WordPress plugin that will revolutionize your online presence. It's like wielding a magic wand to create stunning websites, and the best part, you don't have to be a tech genius to use it. With just a few simple drag and drop actions, you'll transform your site into an extraordinary online experience. Say goodbye to ordinary websites and leave your visitors awestruck. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the pricing. While the free version of Elementor is impressive, if you're serious about taking your website to the next level, check out their paid plans. Starting at just $49 a year and going up to $999, they offer unbeatable features and support. But here's the exciting twist. We won't be using Elementor for ourselves. Instead, we'll leverage its greatness to make money through affiliate marketing. Elementor's affiliate program is incredibly generous, offering up to a 50% commission on every sale you refer. And for high-volume affiliates, they have custom rates. So, if you're a marketing whiz with an online presence, prepare to rake in serious cash. The best part: Elementor's affiliate program is open to everyone, whether you're an industry leader or a newbie starting out. Seize this opportunity to promote your unique content and earn more. It's a win-win situation. Don't hesitate any longer. Join me on this exhilarating journey towards financial success. Watch the video, embrace Elementor, and let your income soar to new heights. Embark on your journey towards success with Step 1. Join the captivating Elementor affiliate program. Let's begin by igniting your Chrome browser. Type Elementor affiliate program into the search bar, and with a swift press of the Enter key, a world of possibilities will unfold before you. Among the search results, ensure you set your sights on the first link, for it holds the key to your future. Now keep your gaze fixed, for on the Elementor website, a magnificent blue button awaits, bold and enticing, beckoning you to become an affiliate. Embrace the excitement and click on this button. You'll be whisked away to a form where they'll seek a glimpse into your essence and the content you create. Fear not, dear adventurer, for this is but a friendly gesture, a means for them to better understand your unique qualities. It's a simple task, filling in the requested information, and as you reach the end, accept the terms and conditions, after a thorough read, of course. With bated breath, click that final button, Submit, and behold as your application embarks on a journey to the vigilant Elementor team. Await their nod of approval, and when it arrives, celebrate, for you have become an official member of their illustrious affiliate program. Your voyage has begun. Step 2. Unleash the power of ChatGPT to craft your compelling article. Now you must be curious about how to effectively promote Elementor. Fear not, for we shall embark on an adventure of creating an article infused with the magic of ChatGPT. Prepare for a delightful journey as we join forces with this AI companion. I fired up ChatGPT and presented a simple prompt. Write a simple article about the website builders Elementor and how it can help owners to earn more money, and behold, ChatGPT worked its wonders, conjuring brilliant ideas. With a touch of personalization and a sprinkle of the Elementor affiliate link, the magic was complete. Here's what ChatGPT crafted for me. Title: Boost Your Earnings with Elementor Website Builder. Introduction: In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses to succeed. One of the most effective ways to establish that presence is by creating a professional and functional website. However, many business owners find the process of building a website daunting and costly. This is where website builders like Elementor come to the rescue. In this article, we will explore Elementor and how it can help website owners earn more money by simplifying the website creation process and enhancing their online business. Streamlining website development. Elementor is a powerful and user-friendly website builder designed for both beginners and advanced users. It operates as a WordPress plugin, allowing users to create stunning websites without the need for coding knowledge. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, users can easily customize their website's layout, design, and content in real time, making the website development process efficient and enjoyable. Professional templates and design elements. Elementor offers a wide range of professionally designed templates and design elements that cater to various industries and purposes. These templates are fully customizable, enabling website owners to create unique websites that align with their brand identity. By utilizing these pre-designed templates and elements, business owners can save valuable time and money that would otherwise be spent on hiring web designers or purchasing premium themes. Conclusion: Elementor revolutionizes the website building process by offering a powerful yet accessible platform for businesses to create stunning and functional websites. With its intuitive interface, professional templates, and extensive customization options, Elementor simplifies website development, allowing business owners to save time and money. By building a responsive website with powerful integrations and SEO-friendly features, Elementor helps businesses enhance their online presence, attract more visitors, and ultimately increase their revenue. So, if you're looking to boost your earnings and establish a strong online presence, Elementor is an excellent choice for your website building needs. Step 3. Unleash your article on Medium and ignite the magic. Now, we embark on the exhilarating third step of our money-making journey: publishing your masterfully crafted article on Medium. Prepare to witness the holy grail of article publishing, a realm where millions of readers eagerly await your words, all without spending a single dime. And let's not forget to sprinkle your unique Elementor affiliate link throughout the article, a catalyst for unlocking the full potential of your earning prospects. Here's our game plan. Take that awe-inspiring article, polished with the brilliance of ChatGPT, and elevate it even further by sharing it on Medium. Remember to weave your special Elementor affiliate link seamlessly into the narrative. This link, my friend, holds the key to unlocking those lucrative high-ticket commissions. Once you summon the courage to press that publish button on Medium, brace yourself for something extraordinary. Imagine this: when someone searches for topics related to your article on Google, behold, your masterpiece has a remarkable chance of gracing the first page of search results. That, my friend, is where the true magic unfolds. As readers stumble upon your captivating words, lured in by your infectious enthusiasm and the astonishing benefits of Elementor, they may find themselves irresistibly drawn to click on the strategically embedded affiliate link. Like a gateway to the dreams of high-ticket commissions, it's a tantalizing opportunity waiting to be seized. But wait, there's more. The true enchantment lies in the increasing number of readers and engagements your Medium article attracts. Picture this: more eyes devouring your content, more souls captivated by your words. With each passing moment, the potential for those sweet commissions skyrockets. So, my friend, cast aside your shyness and share your article on social media platforms, relevant communities, and with anyone and everyone who can bask in the glory of Elementor's awesomeness. Spread the word far and wide, for it is in reaching and connecting with your audience that the gateway to financial rewards truly opens. Embrace the art of consistency and the joy of building a loyal following. You see, success on Medium isn't merely about publishing a single article and calling it a day. It's an ongoing journey, fueled by your boundless creativity and a dedication to providing valuable content. With each published gem, watch your audience grow like wildfire, paving the way for a future adorned with limitless possibilities. And with that, we conclude our exhilarating journey for today. I trust you found these steps invaluable. If they have indeed enriched your quest for financial prosperity, I humbly request a resounding thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more enlightening episodes and to stay up to date with the latest and greatest money-making methods. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and until we meet again, farewell.